Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to replace this old Ring camera with the new one that we unboxed. First thing we gotta do, make sure the power is off. I already turned the switch off. We're gonna cut out this whole caulking. Take the little tool that came with the new camera, pop this off. We got this, get the lights out of the way. And we remove these two little nuts on the side that are holding it onto the mounting plate. That's one. Here's the other one. Hold on to those. I should come right out. Looks like the silicone's doing a good job holding it. I should be popping right off. So I just did a really good job siliconing it last time. There we go. Yep, just a really good job of siliconing it last time. So like I said before, I don't know why this one stopped working. There was a little bit of moisture inside the lens before. So that's somehow moisture must have gotten in there and killed the camera. Again, you're working with electricity. Make sure all your power is off. All right, we're good. We're basically just going in reverse of an installation. Pull our wires out. Take our old electrical tape off. We did such a good job of putting it up last time. I'm having a hard time getting the electrical tape off now. There's another one. Now we could reuse all those wire nuts. We don't necessarily have to open up the new ones. Let's get this last one out of here. Okay, there we go. So now this has a little strap or a little mounting hook to make it easier to hang up, so you don't need somebody to hold it for you while you rewire it. And there we go. There's our old camera. So what I'll do first, looks like we don't even necessarily need, oh, you know what, cut away some of the silicone, clean it up a little bit. The old mounting block off. There we go. Just make it a little easier. Clean up the silicone. And we'll put new silicone on for weather protection. Doesn't have to be perfect. We just want a little clean up so that the new silicone sticks properly. Okay, now if we look in here, this is where your existing light fixture would have been. So before I put the ring on last time, there was a motion sensor light. So this hole was existing, the wiring was existing, it's wired to a light switch that's always kept on, so it'll go off whenever you get the motion resistor. So this is even the old plate was fine to reuse. Okay, so we used this screw last time. Get the mount on. So let's get our new mount up. We'll connect our new camera and silicone it. I'm just going to use the existing nuts that we have. All right, we'll take our wiring, put it through the top hole. Make sure we line up our hole over here. Get our nut ready. Our bolt. Start it up by hand. And because we got power tools, Finish it off there. I'll get it nice and snug. Get our new camera. This was what I was talking about, this little strap that makes it easier to wire up by yourself. This little strap holds the camera in place so you can do the wiring. Let's use the new wire nuts. So you get a good angle here. All right. So you want to get your wires ready, lined up, white to white, black to black. The green is your ground, so it goes to the naked wire that you have in your existing box. There we go, get that nice and tight. Get a little bit of electrical tape, and you wrap it with the way the wire nut twists. It's a little bit extra security there. Let's see, next one. Get our green. Like I said, this is the ground. This would just go to the bare wire that you have. Wrap it around. Get your wire nut on, nice and tight. Another piece of tape. And finally, our black wire. So I twist them up a little bit, make sure they're all together. Then we twist it on to the line coming from the house. Then we put our new wire nut on. And finally, a little piece of tape, just to make sure that's being held in place. Remember, you're wrapping the tape the same way that you're tightening that wire nut. Okay, after that, make sure to tuck our wires a little bit so they have room. Try to get nice and neat in there so we have no issues putting on our camera. Should just line up with the holes. There we go, it's lined up. The little white nuts that hold it in place. A little bit by hand. Use their little tool. Go. Where did I put the other one? Here. Touch the other one. go. Nice and tight. Our camera's in place. Next, what we'll do, we'll run another bead of silicone around it. So you want to make sure you get the good stuff. Make sure it's ready for the outdoors. So this is white, Supreme silicone, 100% waterproof, freeze and sunproof, which is important if you're working outside. Lifetime guarantee, low order, indoor, outdoor, very important. Cut our tip off. There's a little membrane in here that you gotta pop. So a lot of caulking guns have this little poker here. Go in there, pop it a couple times. Get it inside our caulking gun. Couple of things out of the way. Just run a bead of caulk. Get it nice and up in there. That way you have a hard time taking it off again next time. Make sure we got it all the way around. And that's basically it. Go ahead, clean up the caulking a little bit if you want. Make it look a little bit neater. So it kind of looks like you knew what you were doing. You know, we are professional DIYers after all. I'm gonna rub it around with your finger. A little excess out. I'm not gonna make it perfect. A little bit nicer. And there we go. That's how you install a Ring floodlight camera. All that's left to do now is go into the app, set up the camera on your app, and that's about it. But that's straightforward. The app walks you through. Hope the video helps somebody. Thanks again, and take care.